Our today's objective is I will be able to explain how our body is designed to protect internal organs and name the cavities.
Let us understand the meanings. Explain मतलब समझाना, समझाउन सांगणे.
Name नाम नाव cavities in our body शरीर में खोखला स्थान आपल्या शरीरात पोकळ जागा. Today we will be able to explain how our body is designed to protect internal organs. मतलब हमारे शरीर को आंतरिक अंगों की सुरक्षा के लिए कैसे बनाया गया है. Pause the video and write the answer for the following questions in your book. List any 5 internal organs in our body. Define internal organs. Now, pause the video and check your answers. List any 5 internal organs in our body: heart, lungs, kidney, brain, stomach. Here you can write any 5 internal organs. Define internal organs means what does internal organs mean? The organs that we cannot see with our eyes are called internal organs. Activity time. Observe the first activity and write your observations answering the questions. For doing this activity, first make the table given below in your notebooks. You can pause the video, see the table and make it in your notebooks. In activity 1, you have to observe the video and write what you observe in the video. For the question, did the biscuits break after shaking? So, this question you have to answer over here after watching the video.
This is a packet of biscuit. I'll shake it and you have to observe when I open the packet, are the biscuits broken? Do you think any of the biscuits are broken inside this packet even after shaking? Write down the observation in the table you have made in your books.
Now we will see activity 2. Same like the first activity, we have to see the video and answer this question. Did the biscuits break after shaking?
I'll fill this jar with few biscuits and shake it. Just observe what happens to these biscuits in a half filled jar. Pause the video and record your observation in the table made in your notebooks.
Now let us explain how our body is designed to protect internal organs. हमारे शरीर को आंतरिक अंगों की सुरक्षा के लिए कैसे बनाया गया है. In the first activity, we saw that the biscuits were packed in a packet. And when we moved this packet, the biscuits did not break. That was because the biscuits are packed properly and close together. That is the reason even if you shake it a lot, the biscuits don't break. Same is the case with organs in our body. If the organs are tightly packed inside our body, they will remain safe. Thus, the structure of our body is such that our internal organs can remain in their places no matter how much we move. हमारे शरीर की संरचना ऐसी है कि हमारे आंतरिक अंग अपनी जगहों पर बने रह सकते हैं, चाहे हम कितना भी कूदे या छलांग लगा लें. There are hollow spaces for these organs inside the head and the torso. I hope you remember that this is our torso. And these hollow spaces are called as cavities. Hollow spaces means आपल्या शरीरामध्ये पोकळ जागा असते ज्याच्यामध्ये ऑर्गन्स असतात. हमारे शरीर के अंदर खोखली जगह होती है जिसके अंदर हमारे शरीर के अंग होते हैं जिसे ऑर्गन्स बोलते हैं. ह्याच पोकळ जागेला आपण कॅव्हिटीज असं म्हणतो. Let us name these cavities. In the head region, the hollow space is called as cranial cavity. In the torso, this portion is called as the thoracic cavity. This portion is called as the abdominal cavity. This portion is called as the pelvic cavity. आपल्या शरीरामध्ये जी पोकळ जागा आहे त्यांची वेगवेगळी नावं आहेत जसे की क्रेनियल कॅव्हिटी, थोरॅसिक कॅव्हिटी, अब्डॉमिनल कॅव्हिटी अँड पेल्विक कॅव्हिटी. पॉज द व्हिडिओ. नाव आन्सर द क्वेश्चन्स इन युअर बुक्स. विच आर द डिफरंट कॅव्हिटीज इन आवर बॉडी? चेक युअर आन्सर्स. द डिफरंट कॅव्हिटीज इन आवर बॉडी आर cranial cavity, thoracic cavity, abdominal cavity, pelvic cavity. How is our body designed to protect our internal organs? There are hollow spaces inside our body known as cavities. Our internal organs are protected in these cavities. The internal organs can remain in their places no matter how much we move. हमारे शरीर में जो खोखली जगह है उन्हें कैविटीज़ बोलते हैं और इन कैविटीज़ के अंदर हमारे जो इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स है वह बहुत सुरक्षित रहते हैं. हम कितना भी कूदे या छलांग लगा ले फिर भी उन्हें कुछ भी नहीं होता. थैंक यू.